Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 19th of January, 2022. Really, I can't believe that January is almost up. That just seems a little crazy that tomorrow is going to be the 20th, that there's 10 or 11. I should know this. There's a rhyme that goes with that. That there's 11 more days left in the month. It just seems kind of, I don't know, fast. But anyways, taking a look at Ethereum. So Ethereum, it reached new all-time highs back in November, and then just kind of decided to trade a little bit lower here. And the bull flag here is represented in the form of a regression channel, or a linear. What do they call it? It's got a regression trend channel, but I think actually they would call this a linear regression band. Anyways, there's a standard deviation of 2, I think, is the basis on it, but broke down below on the 7th, retested it on the 12th, went back inside of it again on the 16th, and then the 17th dropped down, 18th did it again, so that was Monday, Tuesday, and the Wednesday candle, it fell. And if you look at the volume bars, they've increased every day now. Monday, Tuesday, Mondays was higher than Sundays, Tuesdays was higher than Mondays, Wednesdays was higher than Tuesdays. We'll see if Thursday pulls out something here. So the move here is still, threatening to go lower. We're holding the last oversold level in a bull market at 40 on the RSI. The composite index has had a bearish drop below both of its moving averages, but there's a point I want to make about that about Ethereum's composite index here. And then there's, you are seeing the %B bounce off of the 0.2 zone, which is another thing to pay attention to. Just going to the the weekly chart. Weekly chart, again, man, it just looks like one huge, big bear trap across the board here, especially with how last week's candlestick closed. And yeah, just there's something about it that just doesn't seem correct, especially when you look at the hidden bullish divergence that still exists. And that hidden bullish divergence is appearing near that Kijun-sen baseline on the weekly chart, and while the RSI is testing the 40 zone as well. But the thing that's important, I think, to not overlook, and in some respects it's present on the RSI as well, but it's this right here. On, I would say, I don't know how many, but almost every single altcoin pair that I look at, there's an inverse head and shoulders pattern present in some shape or fashion on the composite index. And this is not as evident on the RSI with these pairs, but it's nonetheless, it's there as well. So there's some definite signs that the move here is overdone to the downside, and that we should see a reversal fairly soon. For Ethereum on the daily chart, the really important key level here near term to get above is ultimately that 3,300 level. It needs to get back above the same level that we needed it to close above last week on the weekly chart. It needs to get back above 3,300. On this chart, that'll position it back inside the back inside the bull flag. It'll be above the point of control, and it'll be above Tenkan-sen. So if Ethereum bulls can pull out some buying and get it to 3,300, daily close at 3,300, that will be the double bottom and pivot needed to really see Ethereum launch higher. That does it for me on Ethereum. I'll keep it updated and do another vid on it as things move here. From all this shit, Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.